I wanna be the very best that no one ever was.
Mabuhay! I am Jerome Hidalde and I've always been passionate about travel and adventures. Currently pursuing a BS Tourism and Management degree at Mapua Malayan Colleges, Laguna. I have consistently maintained high honors throughout my academic journey and graduating with highest honors from senior high school at the same institution. Driven by my love for exploration, I ventured through the majority of the Philippines islands and explored 5 countries in Southeast Asia, including Singapore, Indonesia, Thailand, Cambodia, and the Philippines. And as a student, I share my travel experiences on YouTube and volunteer for immersive learning opportunities to immerse myself in diverse cultures and traditions. My key skills lie in providing exceptional travel experiences, capturing unforgettable moments through videography, and organizing budget-friendly yet memorable travel itineraries. I am determined to uncover hidden gems and share them with others, enriching their travel experiences. Also, I am eager to leverage my experience as a tour guide at OptiTravel, drawn to your commitment to innovation and unique travel experiences. I am excited about the opportunity to contribute to your team and further develop my skills in the dynamic tourism industry. Outside of academics and travel, I enjoy staying updated on the latest trends in the tourism industry and eagerly exploring new destinations to add to my bucket list.
Alam niyo bang nilaunch na yung Cavite Tourism Passport? At kung mahilig kayong mag-explore lalo na sa Cavite, you should have one. Join the game and win prizes. Hindi naman kailangan na taga Cavite kayo para magkaroon ng passport. Dapat lang 18 to 65 years old kayo and you can have your own passport for free. Available na ang Cavite Tourism Passport sa mga service centers ng Cavitex, C5 Link and Calax, Cavite Tourism Office and other partner spots. Here's the mechanics of the game. Kapag meron na kayong passport, make sure to follow the pages of DOT Calabarzon, DILG4A, Cavite Tourism and Biyahin South. I-check nyo yung mga list ng partners or tourism spots sa passport. Mag-visit and get a stamp sa kanilang mga representative.
Pag napaligiran ng ingay at gulo, ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo.
Tinan mo.
Ito
Nakakangat siya.
tayo
Oy! Oy! Masakit!
sa huli.
I know they won't remember this. They're too little. But I will. I know that the same moments that they are never going to remember, I will.
Ang ingay!
Diba nakakarindi? Diba nakakarindi?
Ang ingay!
Diba nakakarindi? Diba nakakarindi?
Every time I see you, I cry and little more. Stolen moments that we still are secret and false. It's never enough. It's you for me. Every piece of you is just perfectly. Every second, every thought, I'm so deep. But I know it's all I say. But we know this. We got a love that is hopeless. Why can't you hold me in the sleep? Why can't I kiss you on the dashboard? I think that you could be like that. Why can't you be like that? 'Cause I know when you're with me, you'll miss me. Like you do when you're with me, that is just the same. Would you leave me by myself? Second, wow.
Kasi gaya sa tayo lang.
Girl, you know this. We got a love that is hopeless. Why can't you hold me? I wish that it could be like that. I get to be like that. 'Cause I know. And nobody knows when it comes to my sleep. I don't want to get away. I know you're gonna need me. I'm why can't you hold me in your sleep? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I know. Oh, why can't you hold me in your sleep? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I know. Why can't I say that I'm in love? I wanna shout you from the rooftop. I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I know. Why can't it be like that? I wish it was like that.
Nakatagal yung mic! I-drops mo lang. Hamba.
Ready still when your prophecy is rare. He told me that the life of my dreams would be promised and someday be mine. He told me that my power would grow like the grapes that thrive on the vine.
Oye, Mariano's on his way.
He told me that the man of my dreams would be just out of reach, betrothed to another. It's like I hear him. Hey sis, ready still when your prophecy is read. He told me that the life of my dreams would be promised and someday be mine. He told me that my power would grow like the grapes that thrive on the vine.
Oye, Mariano's on his way.
He told me that the man of my dreams would be just out of reach, betrothed to another. It's like I hear him. Hey sis,
Bumili na kayo!
Meron na kasi.
Uy, katabi ko Clara.
Uy! 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 Mama! Bakit? Ay! Ay, hindi kayo sumakay! Ay, ano ba? Taxi! Ay, nakatabi! Ay, bakit? Parang tanga naman si kuya.
Sinasadya.
Bilisan niyo dyan! Gago!
Yung fear ko sa height.
Ang saya nito. Gago.
Picture, Je.
Game. Naka-video na to.
Picture.
Game.
1, 2, 3.
Eh! I love you!
Huwag kang gagalaw. Huwag kang gagalaw talaga, Je. Lalagyan.
Ayan na, ayan na!
Yan na!
Ang tagal. Ah! 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 No! Ah!
Ano ba yan?
Ah! Uy! Ah! 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 Roy, Roy! Ah! 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 Nahihiya ko! Bilas mo talaga, guys! Lead me! Ay, gago! Yay! 60 pesos natin. Ay! Gago, ano yun? Ay, puta na, guys! Ano yun?
Gago na!
yun?
Nasa huli yung ano!
Nasa uli yung pagsisisi.
Nasa huli yung thrill!
Babalik pa daw. Nagkaya tayo. Bakit ganito naman?
Hindi nakaka-pretty to be. Hindi nakaka-pretty to be. Ayoko na.
Kaya yung hinuli eh.